right, good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Quick favor, and then we'll get right into it. Last night, Sunday night, 6 p.m., when the S&P 500 futures opened, I did that Sunday night live. I think it went almost 40 minutes. It was fun. If you could, and I know, but I don't ask you for many favors, okay? I mostly give. Every now and then I ask for a favor. But if you're on Instagram, if you're on YouTube, on that post, the one from last night, drop me a comment. Let me know if you like the time slot, etc. And I know you're like, oh, Tim, you're just trying to drive engagement. I've seen it. I took I watched a YouTube video on increasing engagement. No, seriously, I'm not trying to do that. Okay, what I'm trying to do is see if people really liked it. And if you didn't, I mean, listen, if Sunday nights is family time and you didn't like Sunday night, let me know. But seriously, I want to know. And then the other thing is, you're going to see me looking at my phone a lot. Okay? I'm here for you. The problem is, I don't know where I put my iPad, and I use Slack for the questions. So if you're on YouTube and it's like he keeps looking at his phone, I'm getting questions, I'm getting tickers. Because, I don't know, I'm an idiot, and I put my iPad somewhere. So, that being said, let's get to work. Brian Bysham asks about BBIG over 10 post 945. So, BBIG, a little bit higher float, but great volume. Last night, we talked about this one, and, I warned you a little bit. I was like, hey, pretty high float, but man, it's just incredible. 32 million shares, and it's 8:30 a.m. That is what, and I know you guys don't want to hear about this. I know I often go into this, the old, back in the olden days, I'm like the old guy that sits down at the end of the bar, and goes on and on about the olden days, and you're like, shut up, old man. Shut up, old man. We don't care about the olden days. But I'm telling you, you whippersnappers don't know what it was like. We didn't used to have StocksToTrade 30 million shares at 8:30 a.m. I'm telling you, it wasn't like this, okay? So, as much as I poo-pooed BBIG because of the higher float, we might see float rotation before the market open. Brian, I love your idea of a 945 break over 10. So well done, Brian. BBIG, love this over 10 into 945 window, especially if the float rotates. Now, I want to be clear, okay? This is not a swing trade, okay? This is one of those things I kind of forget to make the point, because I fall into the assumption that you guys know what these are, okay? Please don't, this isn't an all-day hold. This isn't a swing trade. It's a day trade around key levels, okay? Don't be a true believer. Please, do me a favor. Don't be a true believer, okay? If you take a 10 break and you sell at 10.50, you sell at 11, and maybe you re-enter later in the afternoon at 15 and you sell at 16, just be glad with your profits. Don't be a true believer. Don't be a bag holder, okay? Do me that favor. Edison asked about RUT. RUT was one I did not go over last night. I kind of, quote-unquote, forgot about this. I tell you, one point I did I didn't mention RUT last night. It's just so wild to me. Here we go with the, old man talking about the way it used to be. I thought all eyes were going to be on SPRT. And then all of a sudden we get I'm talking Friday. We get BBIG, we get NNA, we get, obviously SPRT. I mean, so much stuff going on. So RUT, again, 100 million shares traded, not the cleanest chart. This would be probably number 4 on my list, but it's Money Monday. Hard breaks and VWAP holds. So, listen, trade a 850 break. If it spikes early, trade up 950 break, a 9 break, a 9. This is that idea of the whole dollar, half dollars, all the way up. Now, I will say this. In my opinion, and as always, you don't have to agree with me. In my opinion, I prefer BBIG. And why? If you're like, okay, why BBIG over RUT? 30 million shares versus 3 million. I mean, that's the biggest reason. So, Kashara asks about MMAT. I'm here to help, but geez, Pete. Oh, nice. Did any stocks not run on Monday or on Friday? Is there anything? Pete, it never ends. So 137 million float. What is this? What is this? Semiconductors? Too many stocks. Whoa! That was pretty dope graphics. Did you see that? They went into like an F-16. Boo! F-16. Lamborghini. iPhone. Solar panel. X-ray machine. Meta. Go beyond. Whoa. Woo! I'm such a dork. Because of the float, 9:45 or later, fire away, man. Hey, listen, I love it just for the animation. High float, midday, late day. I gotta download that animation. So midday, late day. Oh man, I love Monday morning. Listen, I tell you guys. One thing I'll tell you is hopefully trading, hopefully finance is your passion. But I tell you, I hope you can find what, and maybe it's trading, maybe it isn't. But I hope you can find something that just has you, 8:30 Monday morning for like 2/3 of the world is like the worst time of the week. Everyone just dreads, off to class. Off to the job I hate. It's the greatest time of the week, and I hope you can find it. And hopefully I can help you. Check out the Steady Trade team, man. So, is TCAT dead? Oh, somebody asked about NVIDIA. So, all the swing trades from the weekend watch, they're all gapping, and the best I could tell you is go to your email from yesterday. BTU, CRWD, NVIDIA, PXLW were the 4 swing trades, and then SPRT is the degenerate day trade. But if you're asking anything about BTU, CRWD, NVIDIA, or PXLW, just go to your email, man. It's all there. Don't ask me again. Is TCAT dead? Needs something. So I wouldn't go so far, J-Zac. I wouldn't go so far as to say TCAT is dead, but we need something to juice these, okay? So we need a PR. We need, we need like The Rock. Why doesn't The Rock have an NFT? Didn't that like JPEG of a rock sell for like $1 million? Why doesn't The Rock have an NFT of like his head that's like a JPEG of a rock? That's what we need. So I'm not bashing TCAT. We just need a catalyst. TCAT, I won't say it's dead, but we need an NFT catalyst. Maybe I should make that NFT. You guys have seen, like, I could probably do that right now. You look at these NFTs, and it's basically, whoops. It's like, I'm going to draw the rock. Can you smell what the rock is cooking? There you go. That's worth a couple million. So let me ask you this. What do you guys think of my NFT? All the pro wrestling fans know where this is going. What do you think of my NFT of The Rock? It doesn't matter what you think! All right, time to move on. Every pro wrestling fan in the world saw that coming. So I'm going to finish on SPRT. I'm surprised none of you have asked about it. So SPRT is still my number one because I just think idiot shorts are bagged in this. So what I'm going to look for on this currently, the high of day is undefined. Currently it's 42. So I'm going to hope this gets a week open, and then we're going to look to trade against that HOD, ideally on whole dollar, half dollar breaks, setting that pre-market high. There's a good chance we get a chat pump on this one. I think it's far from dead. I can't believe people are still trying to short this, but I'll be looking at those high days. Ideally, this perks up a little bit still in pre, maybe kisses 45, kind of can't break that 45 resistance. Then we get the week open, sucks in shorts, we get the chat pump, and then we get a break of 45, 9:45 or later. Have a great day, my friends. Be sure to bid on my Rock NFT, quite possibly the greatest work of art in humankind history. BBIG, very, 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 very interesting. Okay, I want to be clear. I know I just said my main is SPRT. My main is SPRT because it's been the best stock 6 days running. But, if SPRT falls apart at the open, I mean, BBIG is a very, very, very close second. All right, have a great day, everyone. Again, if you can, that Sunday night post, whether it be on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube, drop me a comment. Let me know if you like that longer, less rapid fire Sunday night preparation for the week. Check out the Steady Trade team. I'm about to melt some faces off on 3 webinars today. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.